Hello everyone! Now I'm glad to introduce our product command keyboard with Detail Studio. You can see this keyboard with 16 pieces function case, and the hardware panel's dimension is 100mm and 100mm. The installation way that you can put these 4 screws into your equipment and link the white parts to the keyboard, and then the other parts to equipment. Okay, that's work. Now, this product has the very big features is that we have designed a silicone between the front panel and the back panel that makes this product have waterproof IP65 level. So now we do a test. Okay, see the computer. We type the numbers. There's make no any effects with the water, and that's work. Good. Thank you.